Okay, all right, here we go. Let's see. This homework is pretty good, I gotta say. I mean, it can be really tough. All right, now the diagram below forms a geometric solid. Now, I took what I did was I took something that we learned in class and kind of like, I don't know, turbocharged it, okay, so to speak. So, and then because now what I want to see is now I want to see is now what I want to see is if you can take all these concepts that we've learned in Unit 8 and put them all together, okay? Now, which statement describes the solid? Okay, triangular right prism, this is not a prism, right? So don't pick that. Tetrahedron, we didn't talk about tetrahedron, the name in class, but we actually talked about this. This is a triangular pyramid. Okay, so remember the lesson today when I talked about triangular pyramids? Now, this is not a triangular pyramid nor tetrahedron, okay? So let's see. The solid square base pyramid, okay, that sounds about right. Square base. By the way, so this is another way to draw a pyramid. Okay, this is like the super difficult way. Okay, like hardly anyone ever draw this. With lateral faces, lateral sides that are isosceles triangles. So are these isosceles triangles? How do you know? Yep, they both have two slashes, right? So this is it. Now let's double check. Equilateral triangles, these are not. So, okay. The net creates a pyramid. Okay, now this one, I really like these questions, I gotta tell you. So it's not A, because A would require the two squares to be right next to each other. That's impossible. B, I think B is the answer, right? Yeah, so circle, triangle, square. Circle, triangle, square. Yep, now, I'll tell you why C is not it. Because these two, it's impossible for these two to be right next to one another. All right, and then lastly, for this one, what is that? Yeah, it's silly. It's flat out silly. The circle should be on the top. It shouldn't be on the side. Okay, all right. So let's see. Okay, so this is a tetrahedron. Okay, that's this, not A. All right, it's C. Okay, so it's a cube, right? I mean, I don't think I need to like... By the way, what's a sphere? Do you guys know what a sphere is? It's a balloon, basically. It's a perfectly round balloon. Yeah, that's what a sphere is. Okay? All right. Let's see. It's a rectangular prism. Okay, all right. There we go. Done. All right. Have a good day. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
OMG, that was so good.